An ellipse has the equation x squared over 9 plus y squared over 4 equals 1. Find the foci, vertices, and the lengths of the major and minor axes, and sketch the graph along with the foci. Here, we can recognize this as the equation of an ellipse centered at the origin, and in particular, because the denominator on the x squared term is larger than the denominator on the y squared term, that means that this is going to be an ellipse that is wider than it is tall. Or in other words, the vertices are going to be on the x-axis. Now, if we look here, we've got x squared over 9 plus y squared over 4 equals 1. This means that a squared is 9, and so a is 3. So that means that the vertices are to the right and to the left 3 units from the origin. Now, because b squared is 4, we know that b is 2. So that means that our y-intercepts will be 2 units above and 2 units below the origin. And once we have those, that is enough to draw our ellipse. Now, we can see here that the length of the major axis is 6, and the length of the minor axis is 4. The last thing we need is to find the foci. Now, we know that b squared is equal to a squared minus c squared. So in this case, that's going to be 4 equals 9 minus c squared. If we subtract 9 from both sides, negative 5 equals negative c squared. We can divide both sides by negative 1 to make them both positive. And when we take the square root, we get c equals the square root of 5. So the foci are going to be at plus or minus root 5, comma 0. Now, the square root of 5 is approximately 2.2. So if we're going to go and draw the foci, that means we have to draw them at about 2.2 units to the right of the origin and 2.2 units to the left of the origin. So those are our foci. And so we've got our graph along with our foci, and we're good to go.